Hi friend, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Pratama, NIM 19241193, class 191A14, and these are my group members. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Nico Swardi, NIM 19240905, from class 19 on A43.
In the first part, we will both have a dialogue about making a request, and for the second part is the presentation part for each of use or independent assignment. So please watch and thank you.
Huh? Huh?
Hi Rizky, I hope you are doing well. I was wondering if you could do me a favor.
Of course, Nico, what do you need?
Could you possibly help me with my project? I am a bit stuck on the research part.
I'd be happy to. Do you mind if I ask exactly what you need help with?
Well, if you have a moment, could you review the source if gathered so far? I'd really appreciate your feedback.
No problem. I can look over them later today. But would it be too much to ask for you to send me the link first?
Sir, I can send them required. Also, do you think you could help me brainstorm a few ideas for the conclusion? I am struggling with that part.
I'm be glad to. How about we meet tomorrow afternoon? Will that work for you?
That would be perfect. Thanks so much, Rizky. I owe you on.
It's not trouble at all. Looking forward to it.
A few moments later.
Here I will explain about infinitive sentence. Here is a list of content, explanation, and example. The first is an explanation. Explanation. Infinitive is a verb that functions as a noun, adjective, or adverb. The function of the infinitive verb is to express an opinion, the purpose of an object and action, and to answer the question who, what, or why. The basic formula of the infinitive usually begins with the word to and is followed by the basic form of a verb. While infinitive verbs are not conjugate like other verb forms, so they will remain in the infinitive form in a sentence. Infinitive verbs come in various forms. Here are some explanations about infinitives. Infinitives are used to discuss an action in general, not to discuss a specific event. Infinitives are not changed by the subject in the sense and, and do not have type, tense, mode, or other forms. Infinitive can be used to express opinions, the purpose of an object, action, and the answer question who, what, or why. Infinitive phrases are phrases that consist of infinitive together. with other words that support or change their meaning. Infinitive phrase can act as subject, object, or complements in sentence. Infinitive phrase help clarify and enrich sentence. And the second is example. Example. Uh, the first infinitive verb as nouns. The infinitive form can function as a noun when following certain verbs. The function of the infinitive verb can be as a direct object or indirect object. Example, I want to swim in the beach. The second, to dance on the stage is her greatest dream. The second, infinitive verb as adjective. When infinitive verb act as adjective, they describe the nouns they follow. Adjectives are words that modify, add to, or describe nouns. So, infinitive verb function as adjective when they modify or describe nouns in a sentence. Example, they would like to make Eastward noodles. The second, Jesselyn want a movie to watch. The third is infinitive verb as adverb. Adverb modify or describe adjective, verb, or other adverb. They provide additional information about what, where, how, and to what extent. Sometimes adverb also answer the question why. Infinitive verb function as adverb when they are used to provide more information about an adjective, verb, or other adverb in a sentence. Example, first, Dad is going to the supermarket to buy an apple. The second, I went to college to become an architect. And last is the verb bar infinitive. You have seen several examples of infinitive verb that include to the word to, but not all infinitive used to word to. These are known as bare infinitive, which function in exactly the same way as adverb infinitives. They follow modal auxiliary verb can, should, shall, would, will, could, might, and so on in a sentence. Bare infinitive function as object of modal verb in the sentence. Then they functional the same way in the sentence with verb of perception, her, see, feel, sense, and a verb of permission, be it, let, need, know, help, had better, sooner than, would rather, and so on. Example, first, Robert might lend use his book. The second, I saw her run 5 laps. The third, my brother helped me do my homework. Thank you for watching and see you